Good medical morning. This is Watson with your Emergency Dermatology Week in Review. Case 5. This patient has some sort of pimple or sty removed from their eye. Please comment below in regards to which story deserves its own video. Use the case number so we know what you're talking about. Case 4. For the past several years, a 31-year-old man from India had been watching the tumor emerge from the back of his skull. Following treatment, including chemotherapy, the mass continued to grow. He was feeling a heaviness in his head, which ached constantly, and his vision was blurred. Doctors in India say his brain tumor grew so big that it weighed nearly 4 pounds and measured nearly 20 centimeters by 30 centimeters by 30 centimeters. Doctors successfully removed the mass during an intensive 6-hour operation and explained that about 10% of the tumor was growing within the patient's skull, putting pressure on his brain and causing him to lose his eyesight. If not treated successfully, it could have caused neurological damage or paralysis. He is now recovering well and is expected to regain full eyesight. Case 3. This patient has multiple squamous cell carcinomas of the forehead skin. Case 2. Dolly has an impressive nose pimple. Not an emergency, but it is a fun pop. And Case 1. This 89-year-old male has a hyperkeratotic lesion that has been present for the past 4 weeks. This gentleman lives alone, has poor hygiene due to difficulty showering, and is not accepting of help. His podiatrist asks, "Any idea of what this lesion could be and how it could be managed?" Feel free to comment below on that, and make sure you leave a comment below with which case deserves a dedicated case study video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you can see all our future videos.
Have you ever found yourself wanting to whiten your teeth, but those white strips are too inconvenient or too expensive? Maybe they cause gum irritation. Well, I think it's time that you pick up teeth whitening pens. Just brush them on your teeth once a day, and your teeth will be noticeably whiter in no time. Teeth whitening pens don't irritate your gums like white strips, and they're super convenient. I keep some in my car for the commute to work. Put them at your desk, in your car, in your purse, wherever. They're super convenient, and they're less than half the price of white strips. I'll put an Amazon link in the description below. Pick up yours today.